Most people think their job is just a way to pay the bills. But what if your 9 to 5 could actually make you wealthy, without a promotion, side hustle, or lucky break? There's a small group of regular workers who play the job game differently, and they quietly build real wealth while everyone else stays stuck. The crazy part, it's not about earning more money. It's about using what you already have differently. And once you see how it works, you'll never look at your paycheck the same way again. Most people miss this, not because they're lazy, but because no one ever taught them how the system really works. Most people treat their job like a simple trade. Time for money. You work, get paid, cover your bills, and hope there's something left. It feels normal, even responsible, but it keeps you in a loop that never builds wealth. Wealthy workers think differently. They use their job as a wealth engine, a tool that funds freedom, not just survival. And the shift that makes this possible is so small, most people overlook it completely. The first shift, stop seeing your paycheck as spending money and start seeing it as investment fuel. Every dollar you earn has a choice. Buy something that disappears, or buy something that pays you back. Even small amounts, $50, $100 a month. Compound into serious wealth over time if you stay consistent. Some of the wealthiest people you'll never hear about didn't earn more. They just made this one quiet money move, month after month. The second shift, use your job as a paid classroom. You're already being paid to show up. So treat every task as a lesson in how money, people, and systems work. Every skill you gain makes you more valuable, not just to your boss, but to your future self. The right skills can turn an average income into a powerful financial engine. The skill you learn today could be the reason you never rely on a paycheck again. The third shift is about leverage. Most people think the only way to get ahead at work is a raise, but that's not true. You can build leverage in your job by positioning yourself as someone who creates value, not just someone who follows instructions. That might mean learning how your company makes money, solving problems others avoid, or building systems that save time. The more leverage you create, the more opportunities find you. Promotions, better offers, or chances to turn your skills into something that pays beyond your paycheck. Here's the twist. The path to financial freedom often starts inside your current job, not outside of it. The final shift, ownership. The wealthy don't just earn, they own. While others spend their paychecks, they use part of theirs to buy small pieces of the system. Stocks, funds, property, even digital assets. Your job can fund your ownership journey. That's how it becomes your first investor, not your cage. Imagine working the same job for 10 years, but having a portfolio that pays you for life. When you combine these 4 shifts, you stop being just an employee. You become a builder of quiet wealth. Most people wait for a new job to change their life. The smart ones change how they use the one they already have. So here's the question. What would your life look like if your job became your first investor? Using their job to become wealthy is only one of the different habits the wealthy have to the rest of us. Check out this video here to learn about more of the daily habits of the wealthy you can adopt today.